Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset 2011 Toyota Avalon maintenance light. Start by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and ensure the odometer displays total miles. Press and hold the trip reset button until the display changes. Release the button and then turn the ignition off and back on to verify the maintenance light is cleared and the reminder interval. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and confirm the odometer shows total miles. Press and hold the trip reset button firmly until the display flashes dashes or shows a reset indicator. Keep holding for several seconds until the numbers change or zero out. Release the button and turn the ignition off, then back on. The maintenance light should no longer be illuminated if the reset succeeded. If the maintenance light persists, try the reset sequence again with steady timing and firm button presses because inconsistent input can fail. Verify your battery has adequate voltage since low power can stop the vehicle computer from saving changes. If repeated attempts do not clear the light, consult the owner manual for alternatives or contact a dealer for diagnostic help to ensure no underlying fault requires professional attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.